Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nuzulaika binti Anwar.
My name is Nurul Farhani binti Syazanizan. Today we want to show you how to make calibration using analog oscilloscope. Let's go.
Before we want to calibration analog oscilloscope, we need to know function of each button. For example, intensity for brightness and darkness of wave, focus for thickness and thinness of wave, trigger for to stop the wave, and disposition for up and down wave, and also disposition for left and right wave. This oscilloscope have two channel 1 and channel 2. If you want to use channel 1, you need to press the button channel 1. If you want to use channel 2, you need to press the button channel 2. Same like this position. If you want to use channel 1, you need to put wire on channel 1. If you want to use channel 2, you need to put wire on channel 2.
Next, to make calibration using analog oscilloscope, we need to press the power button to turn it on. Then we need to press all the buttons to normal. The wire used to make the calibration is the oscilloscope probe. We take the oscilloscope probe and use the BNC connector to connect to channel 1. And we took the hook tip and put it on the 5-volt calibration.
The precaution for handling the equipment safely during measurement is:
First, always check the equipment before you use it.
second, make sure that the equipment is adequately marked.
Next, prevent access to the nearest part.
Last but not least, use the necessary safety equipment.
That's all from us.